to the channel. So I don't really know what I'm doing today. If you haven't seen the part 2 to the build series, I'll be putting that in the cards above. Yeah, I don't really know what we're doing today. Kind of just no agenda, drive until you get lost kind of day. So I got some exciting news, my friends. I did pick up the bike. It's not running right now. We got one piece left. Just got to slap that sucker on, put it back together. What in the world? What? Why did that cop just wave to me? Really confused. What's going on here? Good Lord, bro. Okay. What? Okay. Anyways, where I was really interrupted by every motorcycle on the road. So the first one waved me on. The second one told me to get out the way. Oh my God, what is happening? Hopefully it's not like a funeral or something. I'm not sure, but anyways, hope everybody's all right. So we have one piece left. Whole bike's going back together, and then she's going to be on the channel. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God. I can't give any hints away. I really can't. I'll give you one hint. Oh, no, I can't. Oh, should I? Maybe. Okay, one hint. It's carbureted. That's it. No more. No further questions. I hope you guys are ready for this bike, because, oh my God, I don't even know if I'm ready. Oh, I'm so excited. Hope you guys have been enjoying the videos as recently. I'm trying to up the game in the editing software. It's challenging, man. It's really challenging, but I feel like I'm getting better at it, so that's good. I'm really getting frustrated with this bike. I don't know what's going on with the check engine light. I've had a few subscribers reach out to me saying theirs is doing the same thing, and I don't know it's from the tune. I don't know what. I'm not going to start pointing fingers till I actually know, but if that's the case, I'm going to feel so bad recommending something, and it, you know, this keeps coming up on people's bikes. I would never recommend something that would do this, so this is really just frustrating. But we can't start pointing fingers yet until we find out. If it's happening to you, I'm so sorry. I just feel horrible. I don't know about anybody else's weather, but Maryland's been on some other stuff. We had a cold week last week. I think it was like 60, like high of 60s, which is not cold, but when you're doing lift work like I am, it gets a little chilly. But then this week it's gonna be like 75, 80 degrees. It's like, what is going on? Other than this check engine light every time I get on the gas, this bike's been feeling real good. Still power wheelies in first with my big self on it, which I did lose some weight, guys. I did. I am 23 pounds down. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. So it's not trying to get as much of a chunky boy up, but we're trying to shed the weight, get this thing quicker, get me quicker. That's all I'm doing it for. I'm not trying to be healthier, I'm just trying to be faster. Come on now. So I've been trying to step out of my comfort zone as well with these videos. I'm just trying to do more raw, keep all the takes in, and before I was just chopping it up and it'd be like a 4-minute video, which is fine, but I know you guys want to see more, so I'm trying to do that. I'm trying to make longer videos, be more of myself. Oh, my phone's about to fall out. Oh no. That's no bueno. There we go. Oh my God, I smell cigarettes right here. Oh, God darn. Ew. Cigarettes smell so bad. Don't smoke, kids. Unless it's crack. I'm kidding. Stop. Don't do that. Stop it. If you guys ever ride with some strangers or anything, people you never really ride with, see how he just moved over and I moved back over and we're all staggered? You never want to ride behind someone, because if they hit the brakes or something, you know, you have room, they have room to stop, you have room to stop. So if he hit the brakes hard, I'm not running in the back of him, putting myself at risk. So I come over here and I'm good to go. I have more room to stop. Just a little lesson for, you know, the new guys out there, people who don't really know. So always remember that, stagger yourselves. Booyah. Oh, 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 oh. Let them know. Let them know, Gsxs. Oh my God. Come on, come on, come on. I should have came out here and got breakfast. I already ate before I left. Why did I do that? Like a goober. Totally forgot my tag was flipped. Not a good idea to do that. Gotta make sure that thing's flipped around. I gotta say, yesterday was probably like one of my favorite moments on a motorcycle. I was leaving Texas Roadhouse and this little kid came up. And he started waving like from a distance, and I waved back, and I guess he didn't see me, so he did it again, and then I waved, and he started freaking out, telling his mom, pointing over, and it was just cool, man. Stuff like that just makes me keep going, you know. Do it for the kids. I need to get over. I need to get over. I need to get over. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're a gentleman and a scholar. I didn't know this brought me out over here. Good to know. Alright, you see that tunnel up there? You see it? Watch this. We're gonna bang bang on him. Hope y'all are ready. Hope there's no cops around. God, I love this bike so much. If you don't like the pops and bangs, yeah, you gotta like them. See people all the time, oh, I hate them. That's good. That's your bike, not mine. One thing people need to know, I've never built any kind of vehicle for anyone else. It's for myself, and that's what people need to do. Step out of the comfort zone, go out of the ordinary. And just be different. Say I'm a nice guy. Come on, who says all sport bikes are ignorant? Not me. I want a naked bike. Ha! Gotcha! Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. I swear, everybody wants Chick-fil-A on today. Let's go get Chick-fil-A. Sunday. Ooh. The Lord's Chicken is closed, buddy. I will say, if you guys haven't tried that, my goodness, what is it called? Come on, it'll come to me. It'll come to me. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Oh, the honey chicken pimento something. Very good. Very good. It's like real good. What a nice guy. Should we go left, right, or straight? I think I'm feeling left. How about you back up, bro? Back up off the cheeks here, my friend. Come on, go, people. I always get called at lights because people just are scared. They're terrified. Just absolutely terrified. Come on, girl. What are you doing, bro? God, people need to just get a little fire in the cheeks, man. We get going. We could get things going. Traffic would never be the way it is if people just grew a set. Take it. God, I don't know where I'm at right now. That's what I said we're doing today, right? Oh, that scared me. Did we just do a big loop? I swear to God we did. No, definitely not. Oh man, I know the airfield's right there, I think. I went on the airfield once with my car. That was pretty cool. That would be so cool to go there and do videos. Huh, where now? I really don't know where I'm at. I lied. Such a liar. Hope y'all aren't mad at me. Yeah, I couldn't tell you. I had no idea. Definitely did what I said we were gonna do. Get lost, because I'm definitely lost. Wish there was more bikes. I wish I had friends. Ugh. God, don't even get me started. Hey, there's a bike right there. I wonder if he wants to come out. Little scooter. Come on. I don't discriminate. Let's get it. Oh. Oh. I'm sleepy. I don't know why. I could go for a little beverage. I think we should stop for a beverage somewhere. We're not going to use the GPS though. We're not going to use it. That's off limits today. It's just for music. Which, if you guys are ever curious that I'm listening for music, I'll put my playlist down in the description. Little sheeps. Look, they're so cute. I want to take one home, put them on the back, put them right here. I'll hold them while I'm driving. Just stay in first the whole time. I'll put the playlist in the description. It's metal, rock, rap, whatever. I love metal music. I love rap music. You know, anything in between. Just country. Absolutely not. You would not hear me listen to country music. No, thank you, my brother. Oh, look at this turn. Oh my God, look at this. Oh man, this road might be a little noise. Look at that. Let's get down. Yeah, buddy. So nice. Oh my God, I don't know where I am at. Help me. Someone help me, please. Pumpkins, not a pumpkin table. That's a picnic table. That thing is hard, bro. Oh my god. Wide body bug eye? Oh, they had to do that. Hey brother, keep that grass over there and you just spray me with it. We found civilization. I repeat, found civilization. I should have stopped at the 7-Eleven to get something to drink. I didn't even see it. Ay, ay, ay. We gotta make the right decision here. I know where we're at now. Oh my god, I found it. Just get lost. You'll get found. Good lord. Nobody stay in the house anymore. My goodness. Oh my god. I am rather eepy. I'm not ready for work this week. Oh my god. Is anybody ever ready for work? No. Unless you love your job. I don't hate my job, I just despise of it. Nah, I don't mind my job. I really don't. All right. Almost had blue on my front fender. That's crazy. Nobody knows how to drive today. So we finally got our beverage. Went to Wawa, the best gas station on planet Earth. It's just no competition. Truthfully, like no competition. But got a little Diet Pepsi and we're on our way. Oh man, what an adventurous day. I think here we're gonna wrap the video up, my friends. If you guys like the video, well, this type of video, tell me in the comments. Tell me if you guys like the more of a raw little ride along than, you know, just a topic and we discuss it and that's it. So if you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments. I'll be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.